Hey there. Today, I'm going to show you how to disable all email notifications on Instagram from your PC with the new update. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Once you're logged in, head to the bottom left corner of the page and click on the More icon, or the three dots. This will bring up a menu of options. Next, click on Notifications. This will take you to the Notifications settings page. Now look for the Emails Notifications section. Click on it to customize your email notification preferences. Here's the trick. To disable all email notifications, simply uncheck all the options on this page. This will ensure that you no longer receive any email notifications from Instagram. And that's it. You've successfully disabled all email notifications on Instagram from your PC. Now you can enjoy a more peaceful and distraction-free Instagram experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you next time.